In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the PayPal Resolution Center in just a few easy steps. Whether you're dealing with a dispute or simply need to manage your transactions more effectively, the Resolution Center is your go-to tool within PayPal. So let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open your web browser and head over to the PayPal website. This is where you'll find all the features PayPal offers, including their mobile wallet options and much more. Once the site is fully loaded, you'll see a login button prominently displayed on the top right corner. Clicking on this will take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials. Now, depending on your account settings, you might be prompted to verify your identity. If so, you'll be given options like getting a WhatsApp text or a standard SMS. Choose whichever method you prefer to receive your security code. Once you enter the code, you'll successfully log into your account. After you've logged in, you'll be directed to your PayPal account summary page. This is your home base where you can see all your recent activity, manage your account settings, and so much more. From here, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you will find the Help button. Go ahead and click on it. The Help section is your resource for all things PayPal, answering any questions you might have and providing guidance. Within the Help section, you'll see various options and FAQs. What you're looking for here is the Resolution Center. This is the hub for all your dispute management needs. Clicking on Resolution Center will take you to a specialized page where you can handle cases, report unauthorized transactions, and resolve conflicts with other users or merchants. There you have it. Accessing the PayPal Resolution Center is quite straightforward when you know where to click. It's always empowering to have a firm grasp on managing your financial transactions, and the Resolution Center provides the tools you need to address any concerns efficiently. Whether you're facing a dispute with a purchase or simply want to be prepared for the future, knowing how to access and utilize the Resolution Center is an invaluable part of managing your PayPal account. I hope you found this guide useful. Remember to check back for more tutorials and insights into making the most of your online accounts. Thanks for watching, and happy transacting.